Hi, I'm going to show you how to use your Fit Friday bundles or your Tip Tuesdays. So you want to be heading over to the link for Google Drive because I find this the most easiest way to do this. So you go into your Fit Friday, you're going to see weekly graphics, you're going to see your weekly posts. They all correspond. So on your weekly posts, it's going to look like this, and it's numbered 1 to 52. And then on your graphics, again, they are numbered 1 to 52. So you can actually see where you are and what to post. So number 1, we're going to schedule this. If you use you may just want to schedule this directly into your groups, onto your pages. You can do that on Facebook, or you can use Cinchshare. You can use a third-party app, and this is a website that does schedule into groups. It schedules onto your pages. Just don't do it at the same time. So don't post 7 o'clock into your group and 7 o'clock on a page. Just do it maybe 7 o'clock and then 7:30 because you don't want to upset Facebook. But I've never had an issue with it. I've used Cinchshare for probably around about 5 years since when it launched, and I just love it, and I'll show you why. So we're going to do now our beetroot juice. So let's go over to the document. We're going to copy the text, Control and C. We're going to go over to Cinchshare, or it would be our Facebook page itself, and then you would just schedule it there. So I've already pasted it in. Let's just double check it. You want to make sure that you've got some spaces in so it looks better on the eye as well. And that's it. So now we want to add an image. So we go over to the graphics. You're going to save this image. So what you want to do is you want to right click, click download, and that is obviously going to download the image. And then you can then use your 3 dots in the top corner and then save as, and save it to wherever you need it to be. I've already saved these images, so I'm going to go into my Cinchshare as if I've just saved it somewhere else. I'm going to choose the file. So I'm going to now go and find that file, which is in here, number 1. I'm going to save it to my Fit Friday. Now you will also see that this bundle, it is in the Teachable, it's on Google Drive, but now I'm also going to create a shared folder. This post is going to be sitting in there waiting for you now. So all you do then is just click it, you just would forward it, you would save it, you would schedule it, however you want to say it, to wherever you want it to go. So that's just something extra that I'm going to be adding onto this, so it makes it even more easier for you to get access to these. I love what is this? What do you call it? Let's have a quick look. Grammarly, because it does all my I'm terrible at spelling. I always have been, whereas Grammarly, it automatically does your typos for you. So, and it's free. So get the Chrome extension for Grammarly. It's brilliant. Right, let's talk back on to these weekly graphics and posts. So we've got post number 1, we've got graphic number 1. We know where you can save it into your own little folder, and I now need to schedule it in because I'm onto October already. I've done the 23rd, so yeah, I need to schedule it on the 30th, Friday the 30th, 7:30 in the morning, into my NutriCode customer group. Schedule post. That's it. So now let's go back to the post. Let's go scroll down. Let's do number 2. Let's just scroll in case I haven't got it, missed it all. Yeah. So let's copy. Back over to Facebook or Cinchshare, whatever you're using. But as I say, I am going to be doing these already for you. So these are already done for you. Okay, so now we need to go to the graphics. We're going to go to number 2, get the eggs. I've already done it, so let's choose the file, eggs, and we're now going to do it for Friday the 6th of November, 7:34 in that group, schedule post. Back over to the post. Let's now go and do number 3. And I'm not even putting these in now, to be honest, because it just gets a bit on the eye. Fit Friday, Fit Friday, Fit Friday. Now and again, I'll drop it in, but it's totally up to you. Right, so number 3. Let's go over to my Cinchshare paste it in. Let's put a space there. That will do. Now go and find the image, number 3. And as you would do, you would get the graphic on here. Just download it, save it, upload it, and we're going to now post it to Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th of November. Schedule post. So as you can see, this is taking me minutes to do, and there's 52 of these. So you put an hour to one side, but you have then got 52 weeks of content, and it is pre-scheduled in. So this is number 4. Copy, paste it in, put a little space there. Preparation, put a space there. And you can, let's put the graphic in. And it was asparagus. I'm going to schedule that for Friday the 20th in that same group. But you can change it to whichever group you want that to go in. It doesn't have to go, you post this where you want it to be visible. Schedule post. So I've been on this for 6 minutes and I've done 4 posts. So that's a month. That's a month's worth of Fridays. So then you've got Tip Tuesdays. So then that you can schedule those in. So that is how you are going to use these Fit Fridays. You could call it Wellness Wednesdays, whatever you want to call it. But how you then incorporate it into Cinchshare or directly into Facebook. You can use Buffer, Hootsuite. You can use any sort of tool that you want. I just like to use this one because I can now, once that's been posted, I can share that onto Pinterest and do so much more as well. So I hope that helps, and I hope you've got a little bit more familiar with how to upload and use Cinchshare too.